Hi there, this is Kat Simpson. I'm excited that you are interested in starting your own travel agency and signing up with PlanNet Marketing, which is the marketing arm. And I'm going to walk you through step by step. It will probably take you longer to watch this video than it will to go through the steps on your own. But this is just in case, so you see what's coming up. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to PlanNet Marketing with two N's, PLANNET marketing.com/thatcat, THATKAT. This brings you to my website. Now, as you can see here, this is a PlanNet Marketing website. And there are two options, your business, your product. If you are only wanting to be an IntelTravel agent and you don't want to do the marketing arm of the business, then you're going to click on Learn More and go through those steps. However, I really believe that you should not leave any money on the table. I was taught that by several mentors. And by signing up for your business as a PlanNet Marketing rep and an IntelTravel travel agent, you have two opportunities to make money, actually multiples of that, but we'll start with two. The first one is as a travel agent, of course, you're going to make all of your commissions on your travel. As a PlanNet Marketing rep, if someone approaches you and says, this looks like fun, how do I do it? You don't even have to go out and push it, but people love to talk about travel. When they find out how much fun you're having, how many trips you're taking, how much you're saving, and how much you're making, there will be quite a large percentage of people who will say, I want to do that. So then you just send them to your PlanNet Marketing website and help them get started in their own travel business. PlanNet Marketing is basically the marketing agency or the marketing department or the PR agency for IntelTravel. IntelTravel has been in business for over 27 years. They've been recruiting at-home travel agents for that long. However, about 2.5 years ago, they formed a partnership with PlanNet Marketing, which is a 2.5-year-old company run by people who have been in this business for over a combined 100 years of experience. They are a marketing company. They are a network marketing company. Their only product is IntelTravel agencies, independent travel agencies. A PlanNet Marketing rep sells ITAs, independent travel agents. So click on Learn More to sign up as a PlanNet Marketing rep. Read the information here. This is Donald Bradley. These are some success stories or some videos. This is a marketing app you can use on your phone. Lots of information here. To sign up, click Enroll Now. There's Mr. Bradley again. Here's the details of becoming a PlanNet Market rep. You're not going to believe the cost. $19.95. Yes, you heard that right. $19.95, $20 a month, less than your Starbucks habit, I'm willing to bet. You will be paying $19.95 a month for this membership. You can cancel at any time. There is a 90-day cashback refund policy, 100% guarantee. This is also part of our 1-year profit, no risk-free guarantee, which means if you put in a year as a PlanNet Marketing rep and an independent travel agent, and you have not made back all of the money that you've paid in fees or saved that much money on your own travel, we will refund the difference. We're the only company in the business that offers this profit risk-free guarantee for 1 year. Click the Enroll Now. There's a phone number there if you have questions, or you can call me, 719-322-6691. This is just explained to you what's going on. The mobile app fee is non-refundable. It is the only fee. The mobile app is what I showed you. It's an app for your phone. It's not required. It's not necessary. If you want to do a lot of recruiting and you want to keep close watch on who you're talking to and have an easy way of sending them recruiting videos, it's $1 a month for the app for the first month, and then it's $4.95 a month. Again, that's an optional ad. You're going to click here to add your $19.95 fee. It'll automatically gray in the auto ship button. That just means that every month on the 31st day after that first charge, you're going to be charged $19.95 a month. Next button. Here's where you're going to give us all the information that the IRS requires. This is the PlanNet support phone number if you need help. You are to have only one PlanNet Marketing app. This explains all the legal and compliance. You can look up the documents if you'd like. You can reach out to the support desk or call them. If you enter a company name in the company name field, if you want to sign up as your business and not as your individual, your commission checks will be made out to the business, and you will need to have an EIN an employment identification number from the IRS versus your Social Security number. This is your personal information. This is your company name if you want to use it, gender, date of birth, address, city, county, state. We are open in 20 countries as of this writing. Mexico is the one we're coming up on next. Contact information, opt in to receive newsletters, promotions. You will get a lot of email. You might want to start a new email address for this business, but many of these newsletters and promotions are FAM trips, which are familiarization trips, one of the perks of being a travel agent. So you definitely want to opt in for that. Again, you can do an EIN, GID number, your Social Security number. Tax name means if you're using your Social Security number, they want your legal name from your tax ID. If you're using a business, they want the EIN tax number and the tax name, the legal name of the business. You can copy your shipping information from the personal or enter that if it's different. You can pay via Visa, MasterCard, or Discover card. I haven't filled out anything, so it's not giving me that option. You can choose your username up to a certain point. It will hopefully tell you that that's not available because that's mine. You do have to choose a username that is available. Your password, they're very choosy about their passwords. It must contain one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and one special character. But the only special characters they accept are the $, the $, and the @. So your password must contain either a $, a $, or an symbol. Your display name is what you want when someone goes to your website. It will say, this is the website of Kat Simpson. What do you want yours to say? That's your display name. Click the next button and you are enrolled. Now you are a PlanNet Marketing rep, but you're still not an independent travel agent. So how do we fix that? Well, you go to your own PlanNet Marketing site. You go to planetmarketing.com/your user ID, whichever user ID you chose in the last step when you signed up for PlanNet Marketing. Mine is that cat, of course. This is somebody else's. This is John Simpson's site, so it's John Simpson up here, and that takes him straight to his site. Now, John is a PlanNet Marketing rep. He is not an ITA. You will click on Virtual Office, and it will bring you to your virtual office dashboard. This has got all the information you could need, but right down here is the button you're looking for under Quick Links. Purchase your ITA now. Click that button, and that is how you become an independent travel agent. You will go right through here, fill out your information just like you did. As you can see, it's pre-filled from your PlanNet Marketing website. You can change anything that you need to, Social Security number or tax ID. You're purchasing your ITA for $179.95, one-time fee, not annual, one time, and monthly fee is $39.95 a month. It is waived for your first month, and you will be charged on the 31st day after you sign up. Enter your payment information here. This is your IntelTravel Independent Contractor Agreement. You are a travel agent for IntelTravel Travel Agency. However, you are an independent contractor, not an employee. If you need more information, print this up right here. There's a Spanish translation. You'll put your initials here to affirm that you have looked at the contract. You do know that you're an independent contractor. You'll be responsible for paying your own taxes. And you click here to acknowledge that you're going to be charged an unlimited monthly support fee. That means you have unlimited monthly support for this fee of $39.95. If you click here, they will automatically create your booking website using your first and last name. If you don't want to use your first and last name, you have some other thing in mind that you'd rather use, leave this unchecked and you can finish it later. This is what your booking website will look like. And as you can see, mine is just Kat Simpson. You can upload whatever picture you want and your own information, as much or as little as you want, and your own tagline. It's a fantastic, very robust booking engine. The cruise search engine they just updated is fantastic. It searches across all the cruise lines and includes all of their newest deals. So again, back to sign up. You're going to go here and you're going to click that little Enroll Now button, and you are now a travel agent. Within 5 minutes, probably less, you will have an email in your email box welcoming you to the IntelTravel agency with all of the booking numbers you need to get started tonight to call up any hotel, airline, rental car, or resort and book travel as a travel agent. Welcome! You've made a great decision.